Vedic Mathematics Multiplication with 14. Please watch the video till last. Like and subscribe. So, good evening students. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe and follow these rules. Wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. So, welcome back. Our today's topic, multiplication by 14. Students, now today our topic is multiplication by 14. As you all know, our method which I have taught you before in my previous videos. Students, in my previous videos, you are using the method which is you have to multiply the number by this number and then you have to add the right hand side number and the carry. The same method we will use in multiplication by 14 also. See, the first thing which we will do in this question is you have to put a 0 in front of your number. Then you have to multiply the first digit with 4. Now, in the previous videos, as in the multiplication of 12, you are multiplying your each number by 2. In multiplication of 13, you are multiplying your each number by 3. Now in multiplication by 14, you have to multiply your each number by 4. I hope you are getting it. Now multiply your first number by 4. 4 into 4. And what it is? 16. Now for 16, 6 will go here and 1 will go carry to the next number. Now multiply your next number with 4. 1 into 4, which is 4. Now you have to add the right hand side number, which is, see, one right hand side number is 4. And the carry also, which is 1. Now your answer is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now the last part, you have to multiply 0 with 4. 0 4s are 0 plus the right hand side number, which is 1, and nothing is carry. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 will go here and this is your answer. Now students, you are using the same method in multiplication by 12, multiplication by 13 and now multiplication by 14. So now I will make you do the next sum without using any lines, any rough work, and students, this will improve your calculation speed and you can do your sums very fast and accurate also, means correct. So we will do our next sum orally. Students, this is our second example. As I have told you, you have to put 0 in front of your number and you have to multiply your each number with 4. So let's start this question. We will do orally. Now multiply 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. 12, 2 here, 1 will go carry. Now multiply your next number with 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 2, 1 carry. Now 0 4s are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. See how in some seconds I have taken out this answer. And this also I have explained. If you will do in your mind, you can do it very quickly. Please practice my given sums at home and try to do it like this. Don't use any lines, any rough work. Just try to do it orally and just watch the time also. Now students, this is your third example, and as till now we have done a 2-digit multiplication. Now it is a 3-digit multiplication. So the methods you have to remember in your mind. First of all, put 0 in front of your number. You have to multiply each number with 4 and you have to add the right hand side number and also the carry if it will be. Now multiply the first number with 4. 1 4s are 4. The answer will be 4. No carry. Now again 1 into 4. 1 4s are 4 plus right hand side number 5. Carry is not there. Directly you have to write. Now 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 right hand side number 1. 8 plus 1 9. Now 0 4s are 0. 0 plus right hand side number 2. 0 plus 2 2. So this is your answer. See, orally in some seconds I have done 14 multiplication. You can also do, students. Just remember, put 0 in front of your number, multiply each number with 4 because it is a multiplication by 14. So multiply your each number with 4 and the same you have to add the right hand side number and the carry also. Students, with this video I have provided you one PDF in which questions related to this topic is there. Please do that PDF orally like this only, without using any lines and without any rough work. You have to do that PDF in your rough notebook. I hope, students, that you are practicing my given sums at home. So please practice the sums at home, as the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.